is a powerful strategy that can help you reach a wide audience, engage with readers, and boost your book sales. Here are several ways to effectively use social media for promoting your book. Create author profiles on major platforms. Set up professional profiles on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Make sure your profiles are consistent in terms of branding and messaging. Share engaging content. Post a variety of content related to your book and writing process. This can include excerpts, behind-the-scenes looks, character sketches, book trailers, cover reveals, and quotes from your book. Use hashtags. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Popular book-related hashtags include book release, Nosh am writing, Nosh book lovers, Nosh reading community, and genre-specific hashtags like romance books or Yamos sci-fi. Host giveaways and contests. Organize giveaways and contests to generate excitement and engagement. You can give away copies of your book, merchandise, or other book-related items. Encourage participants to share your posts to enter. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Engage in conversations with your readers, ask for their opinions, and show appreciation for their support. Building a relationship with your audience can lead to loyal fans who eagerly promote your book. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with book bloggers, bookstagrammers, and influencers who have a following that matches your target audience. They can help promote your book through reviews, shout-outs, or joint events like live readings. Utilize live streaming. Use live streaming features on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to host live Q&A sessions, book readings, or discussions about your writing process. This real-time interaction can be very engaging for your audience. Create shareable graphics. Design visually appealing graphics that your followers can easily share. These can include quote images, countdown graphics for your book launch, or infographics related to your book's themes. Run social media ads. Invest in targeted social media advertising to reach a broader audience. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer detailed targeting options, allowing you to reach potential readers based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Join and participate in groups. Participate in book-related groups and forums on platforms like Facebook, Reddit, and Goodreads. Engage in discussions, share insights, and subtly promote your book when appropriate. Utilize Instagram and Facebook stories. Use stories to share real-time updates and behind-the-scenes content. Stories are great for keeping your audience engaged with short, ephemeral content that feels personal and immediate. Post consistently. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Use social media management tools to plan and schedule your posts in advance. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your readers to share their own photos and reviews of your book. Repost and share this user-generated content to show appreciation and build a sense of community. Share reviews and testimonials. Post positive reviews and testimonials from readers, bloggers, and influencers. Social proof can significantly impact potential readers' decision to purchase your book. Offer exclusive content. Provide exclusive content to your social media followers, such as bonus chapters, short stories, or special discounts. This can incentivize people to follow you and stay engaged with your updates. By effectively leveraging social media, you can create a buzz around your book, connect with a larger audience, and drive more sales. Consistency, authenticity, and engagement are key to making the most of your social media efforts. Like this video, drop your comment and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips. See you on my next video. Bye.